No, please, no. Wow, that was so close again. Did you see that? Hey, if you're still unsure how to trade level retests correctly and your account isn't growing, then this video is just for you. Today I'll reveal the secret to the retest strategy that works on any market and with any trading instrument. To learn this, make sure you watch until the end, where I'll show everything on my real trades. By the way, every subscriber can get access to live streams with my best student, where top strategies are explained and trading signals are given in real time. Want to trade as confidently as we do? Send me a direct message and I'll tell you the steps to get started. Let's get ready to trade. Choose the chart type, candles, and set the time frame to 1 minute. Okay. I'm setting an expiration time of 1 minute. And the amount I'm investing will be 250. Okay? Remember to follow risk management principles and set an amount no more than 10% of your account balance. And let's choose the currency pairs. Here I'm entering a long position. As you can see, there is a clear level on this currency pair that was broken upward. Market dynamics are such that if the price doesn't immediately fall below the level after breaking through it, it usually returns to that level and then starts rising again. And let's see on the chart, it's going up, everything is okay. That's called a level retest. Alright, let's wait for the result. Yes! Yes! I love these steady moves after entering a trade. Just look at that confident rise after the retest. 1 second. Wow! We've secured a profit! Great start! Okay guys, let's move on. In this trade I'm going long. Look, we again seen a support level that the price can't break through. The price has reacted to it several times already. I entered long here. Hope for a solid reaction from the level and expecting a local price increase. As you can see, the price tried multiple times to break through, but the level held strong. These are the levels to watch. I'm expecting new high prices, but it's going down. Let's go up. Yeah, come on. Show me the bounce. Oh my gosh, that was so close. But we got the win. Yes, we got the win. And let's move on, guys. It was very risky. I'm going long again. Let's mark the level so everyone can see the area the price is reacting to. See? It's another retest. The price is retesting a strong level and starting to rise along the main upward trend. And let's for the result. Don't dare fall down now. What's this reaction? Why are buyers so weak? No, please, no. Wow, that was so close again. Did you see that? Did you see that? Yes, we're in profit. Okay, and I'm going long on this currency pair. I think you already sized the point. Look, there is a level here. Again, we see the price failing to break through this zone. I'm entering long here, knowing the price will likely rise from this area. And I'm expecting a solid reaction from this level. The rise should be very steady. Okay, let's watch this trade. How is it looking? It's okay, it's going up. Just as I expected. Stop. Yes! Yes, guys, it's a profit! Okay, that's fantastic. Interesting. Okay, I entered a short position. And let me explain why. Look, we have a strong resistance level here. Let's highlight it. You can see that the price has touched this level only twice, which isn't enough to break it. And the level is very strong. After the second touch, they almost always see a bounce. That's why I expect the price to reject the level and I'm going short, waiting for a strong reaction and the price drop. And let's wait for the result. It's so thrilling to keep closing one win after another. This is my last trade for today. Please. Yes! Another win! That was incredible! Friends, don't forget that each of you can receive personal guidance from me and copy my trades to earn passively from my trading. Just send me a direct message and I'll give you further instructions. Today, you've seen how a simple yet effective retest strategy can significantly boost an account balance. It's not magic, but precise calculations and an understanding of the market. Every retest is your chance to enter with minimal risk and maximum profit. The more you practice, the more accurate your entries will be. But to achieve consistency, it's crucial to trade alongside professionals who share their knowledge and signals in real time. Trading is your path to financial freedom, and the retest strategy is one of the best tools to achieve it. Subscribe to the channel and start earning today. Bye bye!